Right.
Our guest,
Vishram,
our director, Sri Ramoji sir, our chief guest, Dr. Silvaraj Kumar, his college principal. Now our commander, Boots first, Ramoji sir, and our guest, Dr. Sandeep Kumar sir.
सलामी करेगा, सलामी कर, order.
Saluting them with great honor.
Vice Principal Sir, Digambar Sir, and our Principal Sir, Chandrasekhar Sir is wishing our students to all the best for their match.
Side angle. Side angle.
By our Principal Sir, Chandrasekhar Sir. Vice Principal Sir tried, but it happens in the first time. Again, one more prize for Chandrasekhar Sir, but it was near a great maker. Oh, you have done it. The third was really good. I wish Digambar Sir will also make one goal. Oh, just cheer for our Vice Principal Digambar Sir to make one goal. Matters, but now please cheer for our Vice Principal Digambar Sir's goal.
Our commander, please present bouquet to Shravanti ma'am. Please give a big round of applause to our Shravanti ma'am. Now, I request
Shurveer and Shakti Samrat. It was done successfully by our Principal Sir Chandrasekhar Sir and Vice Principal Sir Digambar Sir. And the match is about to start in the basketball court. Shurveer is leading in volleyball. With 10 points, Shurveer are leading with 2 points. The scores are Shurveer 10 points and Shakti Samrat 8 points. Surya Strikers 8 points. The match is between Shurveer and Surya Strikers. They are doing wonderful job. Surya Strikers have led with 1 more point. They are about to get tied the same score if they will win 1 more shot. Girls, go for it. Again, Surya Strikers scored 10. Points, 11 points, and Surya Strikers scores 13 points. Now they have changed their coach. Surya Strikers is leading. I guess the changing coach may name.
ఫిట్నెస్ లేదు మైక్ తీసుకోండి
It's an inaugural match, it's a friendly match. The match Surya Striker 1. Arun sir is on the ground. About to throw the ball up in the air so that a match will start. Yes, up in the air and the ball goes to Shakti strikers are trying to make one goal, but Shurvis are against it. They are trying to defend themselves, moving very well along. The ball again in Surya. Oh, just missed. Yeah. Shurvis got the ball, about to pass on the ball to the next player, and Shurvis about to take 1 point. But Shakti's Surya strikers are not willing to do so. They are defending really very well. Moving on, Shurvis. Shurvis are trying to make 2 more points. The scores are Surya Strikers 2, Shurvis about to make points.
Yes! Mama. Thank you.
Great shot.
Hey, 10 class team ready, 10 class. Final.
Time out for basketball team. Our Principal Chandrasekhar Sir, Vice Principal Digambar Sir, our Coordinator Farindra Sir, Preeti Ma'am, Manjula Ma'am and P. Sandhya Ma'am are congratulating our students for their win, first win for volleyball match. It was an interesting match. Final match won by Surya Strikers.
Ashwita, all the best. Bhavishya, all the best.
It was a wonderful match performed by our students. But
Please honor them. Our last team, which represents Subhash Nagar branch. Our Subhash Nagar branch represents by this name. Spartans squad.
basketball match. Shurveer versus Surya Strikers. It's a tie between them. The scores are 2 versus 2. It's a tie between them. We are waiting for the next point.
Guys, आगे बढ़ेगा दाहिने फुट विश्राम सावधान विश्राम
I request our primary students to
Pass. Yes. Tanishka, yes. Waiting for basket. Sanjana.
Digambar sir.
We missed it.
Digambar sir.
Next match has been started. Volleyball started. Now again a match between Shakti Samrat and Shurveer. Surya Strikers score 1 point and Shakti Samrat score 1 point. There's a tie between them. Waiting for the next point. And they lost it. Surya Strikers 2 points. Shakti Samrat 1 point. And that was a good shot. I hope. Yes. 1 point for Surya Strikers again, and the scores are 3 and Shakti Samrat 1. 3-1. Cheer for your teammates. Score 1 point and the scores are 2-3. Surya Strikers 3, Shakti Samrat 2.
ఏంది అక్క గట్ట చూస్తున్నారు
Ramanjirao sir, it is being handed over. All the staff, the dignity.
Shurveer. Go girls. A proud moment. First match winner would be Shurveer's basketball match. Very good. Now our next match for basketball is Shakti Samrat 2 versus Surya Strikers. And the match begins between Shakti Samrat versus Surya Strikers. Basketball Strikers, the match is about to begin. May the best team wins. Volleyball, the volleyball leading team out. We are requesting Ramoji Rao sir. Sir is wishing our team all the best for the further coming match. Wishing the wishes by our director C.H. Ramoji Rao sir. Director Ramoji Rao sir is in the basketball court now. Shakti Samrat 2, Surya Strikers 1. The ball is in the air and there goes the ball. Oh, just missed.
Make a point here. Team of Kabaddi, teams of Kabaddi, along with the teachers and management, in charges, coaches.
I request the primary students. All the march past students, please gather immediately to the skating ground, file wise. It's an order to immediately gather. See synchronization of our pre-primary students, how well they are doing. Their hard work has paid off. They were practicing for many days. It is wonderful sight seeing how they are performing. Bravo kiddos.
We wish that all the students, they're waiting actually from long time.
And encouraging our pre-primary students for their performance. Yes, cameras are watching you for being a boring student. So please encourage them. Their Zumba dance.
We like the move it. I like the move it, move it. She like the move it, move it. He like the move it, move it. We like
That should go hard. Keep that going.
dance until your feet is sore. Party hard just like it's Monday.
Teachers make sure that students clap for pre-primary students. The Indian children are performing really good. So I request teachers also to encourage, appreciate their efforts and clap for them.
Yes, that's why I keep on doing what.
Skaters and vice principal BMS are also here. Wishing the skaters along with the coach
All the best for all of you.
Rajendra sir.
All the best. All the best.
The skaters are eagerly waiting to go and ride on the skating rink.
All the best. All the best.
I like the move it, move it. That's why I keep on doing. Yes, that's why I keep on doing. Yes, that's why I keep on doing what.
Appreciating the team as well for making this event possible and great. Skating first match is about to begin. Stating thank you to the principal, vice principal, student madam, and calendar sir for being here and starting.
Very good, appreciated. A very good performance. Please give her a big round of applause again.
My name Donor is Maitrika Chari. I am from Nizamabad and I am studying in Kakatiya Olympiad High School, my Subhash Nagar branch, and I started learning yoga from 7th last 3 months. I participated districts 3 times and I participated states 3 times. I participated national 2 times and I won district levels and state levels. I'm going to participate in national levels. Thank you. Thanking my parents and my coach Gangadhar sir and my director sir Ramoji Rao sir and all school management. Thank you.
My name is Shloka Chari. I am from 10th standard, Kakatiya Olympiad School, Subhash Nagar campus. I have participated in 3 districts and I have got selected for states at 2 times, and I selected for nationals also. I have participated in nationals. Now I am trying my level best to participate in nationals. I have got selected last time districts and states, and I am thanking our management, Director Ramoji sir and our coach Gangadhar sir and my parents also. Thank you.
కాకతీయ క్రీడోత్సవాలకి పిల్లలందరికీ కూడా శుభాకాంక్షలు. ఇక్కడ జరిగే టోర్నమెంట్స్లో ప్రతి ఒక్కరూ ఇంటర్నల్ టోర్నమెంట్ కాకుండా డిస్ట్రిక్ట్ లెవెల్లో కానీ స్టేట్ లెవెల్లో కానీ అండ్ నేషనల్స్లో ఆడాలని మా యొక్క కోరిక. పిల్లలు ఇలాగే ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తూ బాగా నైపుణ్యాన్ని సంపాదించి స్కిల్స్ పెంచుకొని నేషనల్స్ ఆడి ఆల్ ఇండియా మీట్ వరకు పోవాలని మా ఆకాంక్ష. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Second match of Kabaddi, best of 3 match it is. First match was won by Shurveer, Payal's team. Let's see if Anvisha's team can make it the second match. Skating has completed first round, first class, Chetan first. Winner is Chetan and between two teams of girls Kabaddi, Surya.
Namaste Andi. As we are in KOS, you can see this festive mode. Actually, every day in our Kakatiya institutions, we'll have 80 minutes of session which is involved completely for the sports, right from first class to 10th class. So generally when we go for the academic side, we complete the syllabus and we have the examinations to test them whether they have done with it or not. But coming to sports and everything, right from June they have learned everything. They are executing now it in Kridotsav, and this is not just our campus thing. It is also interrelated, or it is inter-school competition where we have with other branches also. You can see in sports, which includes like we have 8 to 9 activities which we regularly move on with. Like child can select either kabaddi or else skating, western dance, classical dance, volleyball, basketball, whatever they are interested with. And we are conducting all these sports today in Kridotsav. Then next is not only this, we have some recreational games also for the students of 1st to 5th classes along with our pre-primary kids. So I feel sports are also equally important when compared to the academics. So academics throughout the year we will be doing. Along with that, our speciality is we are also including this sports into our academics. This is the best thing we can tell. And you can see this festive mode of Kridotsav in our campus. We do have separate areas for each individual game. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Myself Digambar Kapse, Kakatiya Olympiad School Vice Principal. Today we have inaugurated the Kridotsav inauguration ceremony for the Subhash Nagar campus. We are very much pleasure to announce that we have started the Kridotsav for the 1st to 10th class students, and I really thankful to our director sir Ramuji sir and our respected principal sir and our AMT staff Paninder sir and Sucharita madam, and I really appreciate our students. Why? Because this Kridotsav event has been started today and it will be continued till 9th of January. On 10th date, we are going to do the prize distribution. In this Kridotsav, we are conducting the basketball activities and volleyball, skating, kabaddi, and at the same time, we have encouraged the students to participate in the yoga competition as well as art and craft. The students are very much enthusiastic to participate in all these things. Along with this, we are also conducting the athletics for all the students. Those are not involved in any of the activities. So for them, we are encouraging the child for the overall development in which the student will gain the physical strength. As we already know that a sound body rests in a sound mind. According to this proverb, we are allotting and encouraging each and every child to participate in this Kridotsav event. It is an inter-school sports meet. Tomorrow we are welcoming our Yamuna campus students. Tomorrow the games like basketball and kabaddi and volleyball as well as skating will be conducted for the boys of 6th to 10th class. And these activities will be continued for the 3rd and 4th class also, and for the 1st and 2nd classes we are giving them athletics. So I really thankful for our management, Kakatiya Olympiad School management, and our respected and my mentor Ramoji Rao sir for giving us this opportunity so that the students will be having an overall development not only in the academics but also in the mental health. So I really thankful for all these people, and I really thankful for our AMT and SMT departments of our campus for making this event successful, as we have gone through all the safety measures like getting the consent form from the parents, getting the approval from the parents for making their child to participate in this event. And not only, we have arranged all the things like drinking water facilities, and if the students, for the students especially, we have allotted the and arranged the carnival also. Some fun games are also being conducted in our campus, and food stalls are also being conducted. So all this gives an environment of learning. This is a place where every student will learn from one or the other activities. So I specially thank all my coaches of my campus. They have prepared very well for our students for participating in the inter-school sports meet. So we are going to give our best from our side, and I welcome Yamuna campus students also. So I wish this sports event will be a part of learning. These games will be going in a fair manner, and everyone will be having a team building mentorship among themselves, as the students of our school are the going leaders, are the becoming leaders of tomorrow. So I thankful for all of them, and I wish all the best for the students to have an active participation in this Kridotsav event from our campus. Thank you, and I once again give my vote of thanks to the Ramoji sir and our principal sir Chandrasekhar sir, and our AMT department Paninder sir and Sucharita madam, and especially thankful for our Venu sir for making all these arrangements, and to my colleague Sridhar Nayak sir also for making this event successful, a grand ceremony here, a good event. Thank you. Coaches of my institution, of my campus. Why? Because they have taken all this on their responsibility, and I really thank all my teaching staff also here. They have taken this as a part of their responsibility. Everyone, every colleague of my institution, they have taken this as the prime responsibility, and it has been a successful event. I wish this event will be continued, inspiring other institutions also. So no other institution will conduct this sports event, I mean Kridotsav event, in such a grand manner, where every student is enlightened to have some of the open hidden talent from their minds. Everyone will be having some hidden talent. Thus hidden talent will be coming out, especially during these type of events if we have conducted. So we are looking forward to make a successful event of Tetronica also in the coming months. Kakatiya is a brand for robotics as well as Kridotsav. No other institution can copy this. Why? Because this is the initiative started by us, and it will be continued every year. And we have in our campus, we are having our IIT Foundation also. At the same time, many more are there. So it will be coming to your notice when the time comes. Thank you.
ఈరోజు సుభాష్ నగర్ కేవైఎస్ పాఠశాలలో మనకి క్రీడోత్సవ్ స్టార్ట్ అయింది. ఇది 10th వరకు కొనసాగుతుంది. 10th రోజు ప్రైజ్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ ఉంటుంది. ఈ నగరం నడిబొడ్డులో ఉన్న పాఠశాల ఇది. మంచి లొకేషన్లో, సుభాష్ నగర్ లొకేషన్లో ఉంది. ఇక్కడ ఇలాంటి వసతులతోని ఈ పాఠశాల ఏర్పాటు చేసి అన్ని వసతులు కల్పిస్తున్న మేనేజ్మెంట్కి కృతజ్ఞతలు చెప్తా ఉన్నాను. ఇందులో భాగస్వామ్యమైన ప్రతి ఒక్కరు కూడా గర్వంగా ఫీల్ అవుతారు ఈ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్లో పనిచేయడానికి. ఎందుకంటే అకాడమిక్తో పాటు మనకి ఆటలు పాటలు అన్నీ కూడా ఉన్నాయి. అందుకని ఈ పాఠశాల పైన విద్యార్థులు చాలా మక్కువ చూపుతారు. ఈ 4 days స్పోర్ట్స్ ఈవెంట్లో పిల్లలందరూ గంతులు వేసుకుంటూ మనకు ఇక్కడ పార్టిసిపేషన్ చేస్తూ ఉన్నారు. ఈ పార్టిసిపేషన్ ఎంత ఉత్సాహంగా ఉందంటే అసలు పిల్లలు మైమర్చిపోతున్నారు. అంత బ్రహ్మాండంగా ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ జరుగుతూ ఉన్నాయి. అదేవిధంగా 10th రోజు మనకి ప్రైజ్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ ఉంటుంది. ఈ ఇంటర్ స్పోర్ట్స్ అనేది కాకతీయ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్లో ఉన్న ఈ మా పాఠశాలకే పోటీ అనే విధంగా మనం ఈ క్రీడలు నిర్వహిస్తూ ఉన్నారు. అందుకని ఒక పాఠశాల నుంచి ఇంకో పాఠశాల కోచ్లు, బ్రహ్మాండమైన కోచ్లు, నేషనల్ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ లెవెల్ కోచెస్, మంచి తర్ఫీదైన కోచ్లు మా దగ్గర ఉన్నారు. అదేవిధంగా ఐఐటి కోచింగ్ కూడా మంచి నిష్ణాతులైన లెక్చరర్స్తో చెప్పించడం జరుగుతూ ఉంది. స్టాఫ్ మాత్రం ఎక్కడ కూడా మనకి నిజామాబాద్లో ఎక్కడ కూడా కనిపించదు. ఈ కాకతీయలో ఉన్నంత స్టాఫ్ మంచి నిష్ణాతులైన స్టాఫ్. ఎందుకంటే రామోజీ సార్ డైరెక్టర్ గారు మంచి పర్ఫెక్ట్గా ఇంటర్వ్యూ చేసి క్యాండిడేట్స్ను తీసుకోవడం జరుగుతూ ఉంది. అందుకని ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్లో అకాడమిక్గా ఎక్కడ కూడా తగ్గే అంశం లేదు. అదేవిధంగా స్పోర్ట్స్లో కూడా మంచి కోచెస్ ఉన్నారు కాబట్టి అందులో కూడా ఎక్కడ కూడా తగ్గడానికి వీలు లేదు. నిజామాబాద్ పట్టణంలో ఇలాంటి పాఠశాల ఉండడం మనకు అందరికీ కూడా ఆనందదాయకం. ఇటు పాఠశాలలో అందరూ కూడా విద్యార్థులని జాయిన్ చేసి అందరూ కూడా లబ్ధి పొందాల్సిందిగా నేను యాజ్ ఏ సుభాష్ నగర్ ప్రిన్సిపల్గా నేను అందరినీ కోరుకుంటా ఉన్నాను. ఈ పాఠశాల మనకు గర్వకారణం. ఎందుకంటే I20, IM20, 25 అని ఈ 2 బ్యాచెస్ కొత్తగా ఈ సంవత్సరం ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేస్తూ ఉన్నారు. మెడికల్ ఫీల్డ్కి కానీ మనకి IIT ఫౌండేషన్కి కానీ ఇంజనీరింగ్ సైడ్ కానీ మెడికల్ వైపు కానీ 2 వైపులా వెళ్ళడానికి అనుకూలంగా పాఠశాలలో తర్ఫీదు 3వ తరగతి నుంచే స్టార్ట్ అయింది. అందుకని ఈ పాఠశాలలో డిజిటల్ క్లాసెస్ కంప్లీట్గా డిజిటల్ క్లాసెస్ 3వ తరగతి నుంచి మనకి 10th క్లాస్ వరకు డిజిటల్ క్లాసెస్ ఉన్నాయి. పిల్లలు 10th క్లాస్లో బయటకు వెళ్తే డైరెక్ట్గా వాళ్ళు కోచింగ్ తీసుకోకుండానే డైరెక్ట్గా ఎంట్రన్స్ ఎగ్జామ్ రాయొచ్చు, అంత తర్ఫీదు పొందుతూ ఉన్నారు. అందుకని ఈ పాఠశాల పైన మంచి అభిప్రాయం ఉంది కాబట్టి విద్యార్థుల సంఖ్య కూడా ఎక్కువనే ఉంది. అదే రకంగా విద్యార్థులు లబ్ధి పొందుతున్నారు. నిజామాబాద్ ప్రజలు ఈ అవకాశాన్ని సద్వినియోగం చేసుకోవాల్సిందిగా కోరుకుంటా ఉన్నాను. ఈ పాఠశాలలో పనిచేస్తున్న సిబ్బంది అందరికీ పేరు పేరున ధన్యవాదాలు తెలుపుతా ఉన్నాను. ఎందుకంటే మంచి పాఠశాలలో పనిచేస్తున్నారు, ఒక గుర్తింపు ఉంది, పాఠశాలకు గుర్తింపు ఉంది, టీచర్స్కి గుర్తింపు ఉంది. అందుకని అందరికీ కూడా శుభాభినందనలు తెలియజేస్తున్నాను. ఇట్టి ప్రోగ్రాం 4 రోజులు ఈ క్రీడోత్సవం జరుగుతూ ఉంది. 4వ రోజు అంటే 10th రోజు మనకి ప్రైజ్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ ఉంటా ఉంది. ఇక్కడే ఇంటర్ స్పోర్ట్స్ మీట్ అంటే మా పాఠశాలే పోటీ, ఆ విధంగా క్రీడోత్సవం నిర్వహించడం జరుగుతూ ఉంది. ఈ క్రీడోత్సవంలో మంచి పిల్లలు, ఎందుకంటే స్టేట్ లెవెల్లో నేషనల్ లెవెల్లో సెలెక్ట్ అయిన పిల్లలు కూడా మా పాఠశాల నుంచి ఉన్నారు. వీరందరికీ మంచి విద్యను అందిస్తున్న కాకతీయ యాజమాన్యానికి ధన్యవాదాలు తెలుపుతా ఉన్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Wishes for all of you. My name is Fanindra. I am AMT at Subhash Nagar branch, Kakatiya Olympiad School. Coming to the Creedotsav, which has been conducting for 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th. It is an extraordinary event which has been conducted every year by our management, whereby it is an inter-school competition. So healthy environment between the students to bring up their abilities in the sports field, which brings not only the mental health, and in academic sides also they are excelling in all means, whereby the things like IIT is there, and in preparing the question papers also it is an high quality question papers where we have got different types of question papers for different kinds of students. So coming to especially this Creedotsav, bringing up the hidden talent of the students, we are making them to be perfect, whereby we have to congratulate and we are very much grateful to our coaches. So not only to the coaches in bringing up their in the physical activity, the teachers are also highly qualified, whereby every teacher, every in charge are doing their hard works bringing up these institutions. And for all these guiding us, the mentor and the man behind our all these efforts are the director, especially Ramoji sir, will be is a man who is all behind us and guiding us in all the means and making this a grand successful. Moreover, the Subhash Nagar campus is in the center of the city, as our principal sir said, and it is very convenient for every section of the society, whereby they can acquire all the needs of the school, especially the academics, non-academics and everything else. No other school in our Nizamabad district is providing such a facilities, which is providing especially in the Subhash Nagar campus, where we have got skating, volleyball, kabaddi, basketball, chess, caroms, and even for girls and boys. So we have to admire the management in bringing up all these. So I think the parents should avail and these kinds of opportunities, and now the students are getting very much enjoyed with this Creedotsav. And not only Creedotsav, we conduct a lot and many more kinds of events like Acharya Days, Idionicas and Tetronicas like that. So robotics is also one of the main criteria which has been getting followed in our Subhash Nagar campus, and not only in Subhash Nagar campus, in Pragati Nagar campus like Manjira and Yamuna also, but especially we have got a good scope. Subhash Nagar has got a good scope in building up all these, and thanks for each and every staff in their names by bringing up all these activities and making us proud to be a staff of Subhash Nagar. Thank you very much for having this. Thank you.
As we all know, బయట ఒక్కసారి చూడొచ్చు, కంప్లీట్ ఫెస్టివ్ మోడ్ ఉంది. ఫెస్టివ్ మోడ్ ఇన్ సెన్స్ ఫస్ట్ వీఆర్ ఇన్ టు క్రీడోత్సవ్. టుడే వీఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ ద ఓపెనింగ్ సెరమనీ. ఓపెనింగ్ సెరమనీలో కంప్లీట్గా బిగినింగ్ అంటే ఫస్ట్ ఇనాగ్రేషన్ మ్యాచెస్ అవన్నీ జరుగుతాయి. దెన్ ఇది ఇంటర్ స్కూల్ కాంపిటీషన్ కాబట్టి మాకు డిఫరెంట్ బ్రాంచెస్ నిజామాబాద్లో ఎక్కడెక్కడైతే ఉన్నాయో వాళ్ళందరూ కూడా వచ్చి కాంపీట్ అవుతారు. ఇట్ విల్ బీ హెల్డ్ ఫర్ 2 to 3 days కంటిన్యూస్లీ. దెన్ ఆన్ 10th వీ హ్యావ్ ద క్లోజింగ్ సెరమనీ, అంటే వీ గివ్ ద మెడల్స్ అండ్ సర్టిఫికేట్స్ ఫర్ ద విన్నర్స్. దెన్ విల్ క్లోజ్ అప్ అలాంగ్ విత్ దిస్ సంక్రాంతి సంబరాలు. ఇప్పుడు క్రీడోత్సవ్ అండ్ ఫెస్టివల్, బట్ ఎవ్రీ ఫెస్టివల్ విల్ బీ సెలబ్రేటెడ్ ఇన్ అవర్ స్కూల్. అలాంగ్ విత్ ద అకాడమిక్స్ వీ డూ గివ్ ఈక్వల్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫర్ ద స్పోర్ట్స్ ఆల్సో. స్పోర్ట్స్ని మా రెగ్యులర్ కరికులంలోకి మేము తీసుకున్నాము. దిస్ ఈజ్ అవర్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ద బెస్ట్ పాయింట్ వేర్ ఇన్ యాడింగ్ అప్ స్పోర్ట్స్ అండ్ ఐఐటి ఇంటూ అవర్ రెగ్యులర్ అకాడమిక్స్. జనరల్గా 6 subjects మాత్రమే అకాడమిక్స్ అనుకుంటాము, బట్ అలాంగ్ విత్ దిస్ వీ డూ యాడ్ అప్ స్పోర్ట్స్ అండ్ ఐఐటి ఆల్సో. దిస్ ఈజ్ అవర్ మేజర్ ఎసెట్. వీ కెన్ ప్రౌడ్లీ టెల్ దట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అవర్ మేజర్ ఎసెట్. ఇందులోనే మనకి ఏంటంటే cheer-up చేయడానికి స్టాఫ్కి కానివ్వండి, స్టూడెంట్స్ కానివ్వండి, ఎవ్రీ వన్ షుడ్ ఎంజాయ్. సో వీ హ్యావ్ క్యాంప్ ఫైర్ సెషన్ బిఫోర్ ఎండింగ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ క్రీడోత్సవ్. ఇలా ప్రతి ఒక్కటి కూడా పిల్లలకి ఇవన్నీ ఉంటాయి అనేది లాటర్ ఆన్ స్టేజెస్లో వాళ్ళ లైఫ్లో తెలియడానికి ముందు మేము ఇక్కడ అన్నీ చూపించేస్తాం వాట్ ఈస్ వాట్ అనేది. దెన్ నెక్స్ట్ కమింగ్ టు we do have many other plans also academic wise still to become more stronger. That's the reason where we are going to start up with I-20, a complete international standard school. You'll better know about this in coming future, within few days itself. And thank you very much.